Hey, what's happening? We are getting ready to do a very unique repair today. Thought this would be one of the random repairs we do that actually might be interesting to watch. Some of them are kind of boring. Well, it's all boring. But this one's gonna be cool. There is some bats in this person's attic. And so we're gonna team up with somebody who does exclusions. And they've asked us to come out and seal up this entry, which happens to be on a ridge vent. So I'm loading the truck up now, and we're gonna head over to the house, which is, I can almost walk there from here. So we're gonna go over there and get set up and see if we can't get these things out of the attic and then seal the opening up. So hang out with us for a minute and we'll show you if this works or not. Out of curiosity, I just had to know what kind of bats we're dealing with. A quick Google search shows 5 native Georgia bats. However, when looking at the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service page, it shows there's 16 native species to Georgia. The big brown bat is the most common one, and of course that definitely fits the description of what we were seeing coming out of the ridge vent. We arrived just at dusk, and within about 5 minutes we already started seeing bats leave the attic. The homeowner said initially there was about 3, but we counted at least 30. Well, we are trying to see if they are all out. So Mr. Wildlife guy is in the attic. He's going to be checking to see if there's any more. We're looking up. There's one flying around right there. I think there's still some up there. The thing we are trying not to do is start pulling the ridge vent off, and then they get freaked out, and then they go run back into the attic somewhere, and then we like drive them into the house. That's not a good thing. Neither is climbing a 1212 in pitch black. Nice little sunset. Yeah, there's bat poopy all right here. It's not a lot, but I mean, you can tell there's some. Maybe we should just pop all these bits off. Yeah, there's like 3 of them under there. Yeah. So this is the end that we're going to keep closed, but this is the end that we're going to cut to make it fit. So let's cut this down to about right here. Perfect. All right, so we got the whole ridge vent was able to be reused. Here we layered the last shingle, a couple of nails in there. We're gonna have to seal this up. Actually, so I don't sit on that, we're gonna come down here and get the area where the old fasteners were. All right, so all our holes are good. Shingles will lay flat. We can put some sealant under there, just try to help it out. And then here's our 2 fasteners. Perfect. During the day, we would walk around and try to find any other areas that may need some of this, like right here. This is fine, but we're gonna add some just because we're here. That's good. It's about as safe as I feel walking in the dark. So we're gonna come down and wrap this up. Looks like we got a successful job though. Well, we were going to shoot back over there to see how everything looks during the day, and because we got a tropical storm coming, it is going to look like this outside for about the next week or 3-4 days. So that's all good though. We got what we needed for the video. We were able to get over there and let the bats come out naturally. They are protected, so that's the only way we were going to be able to get away with it, and we got everything sealed up and turned out to be a pretty good video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I appreciate you watching, of course. And we're going to wrap it up here. We'll see you soon.